What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm taking a look at my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Now I picked these up on pre-order when I pre-ordered my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and some of the other stuff that I got that day. I was able to get these for 49 bucks along with the phone. So the whole total for this was like $104. I also got the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and also the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So great deal on all of that. They had some great trade-in deals, and I got some good stuff here. So in the packaging, you got your cable, Type-C to Type-C. You got your extra ear tip buds, and also the earbuds. So some of the features and details on these are active noise canceling earbuds, hi-fi sound quality, enhanced 360-degree audio. These are supposed to be excellent fit, HD voice technology, intelligent conversation mode. So with that, if you're having a conversation with someone, you don't have to take your earbuds out or pause them or anything. It automatically lowers the volume and put them in ambient mode so you can continue your conversation when you're done and go back to playing your music. These are IPX7 water resistant. You can immerse these up to 3 feet for half an hour. And that's pretty much it. That's some of the features and details. These have been out since last year. My first time getting them. Now I was using the OGs here. These are the Galaxy Buds 2, and they're gonna have a different look. These had a glossy, shiny look to them. Great sound though. I like the way these sound. But I heard great things about this. So one thing I like about this is this very dark, stealthy looking carrying case at the end here. It's Type-C, and it's not going to show a lot of fingerprints. In comparison to this, it's smaller as well. This is glossy looking, just like the stealthy look of these. And then checking out the inside of this is really dope. They're very small. They're not glossy or shiny. And I just like them. These are very nice looking. They're going to be marked right and left, pogo pins and stuff there for charging. You got your indicator light. These are magnetized in there as well. So I just unboxed these. I haven't even connected them. Let's go ahead and get these connected to my Z Flip 5. And as you guys see, a new device is found. Connect. So we're going to go ahead and connect these. We'll go through this little setup here, and then so it's downloading the software. I'm going to wear them for a couple hours, maybe a day or so overnight at work, and I'll come back tomorrow after using these and let you guys know what I think about them while I'm at work. So I'm going to agree to automatic updates. Gonna allow. I probably should be reading all of this, and you're all set. So just like that, these are set up very quick. So as you guys see, it's going to tell you the name of the buds there. It's going to give you the battery percentage there. The case percentage is only at 16%. The buds at 68%. So you can set this to, you got a hamburger menu here as well. So you guys see that I have my Classic hooked up and also my Buds 2. You can see that. You got different permissions and stuff there as well. So as you guys see, I can set this in active noise canceling, or I can set it in ambient sound. Voice detect, you can turn that on or off. 360 audio, you can turn that on or off. You got your touch controls here. You can customize it like you want for tapping. If you want to, right now they have the left one set to switch noise controls, the right one switch noise control. So double tap to answer phone calls, touch and hold to decline call, play and pause right there. You can go ahead and customize that. You got your earbud settings right here, your equalizer. So you can set this up right there, normal, bass, soft, dynamic, different ones there. You can do your earbud test. Read notifications out loud, Bixby voice, use ambient sound during calls, in-ear detection. So when you take them out, they will stop. Seamless earbud connection, neck stretch reminders. You got your labs, reset, accessibility, earbuds, software update, diagnostics, stuff like that. Find my earbuds, tips, and users manuals. And then I can also see my Watch Classic battery percentage right there. So that is pretty much the Galaxy wearable app right there. So like I said, I'm going to wear these for a day or two. And at the second part of this video, I'll let you guys know what I think about them. All right, guys. So this is the next day. As you guys see, 9/29 on August the 12th. I took these to work with me last night and used them to make phone calls. I watched 2 movies. I watched some YouTube. And that's pretty much it. And I had them in my ear for probably about 3 or 4 hours straight. And as far as the comfort and the fit, I put the smaller ear tips on there. They were great. Didn't have any discomfort. Towards the end, I think my left ear started to feel just a little discomfort, but for the most part, all the time I had them in, they were great. Lightweight, very comfortable. And I like the way these look in the ear more so than the Buds 2. These are definitely an improvement over that. What I forgot to mention on the first part of the video, this is wireless charging as well. You guys see the light is on there charging. So wireless charging is on these as well. And so let's go ahead and talk about my experience with these. So I used the ambient, I used the ANC, and I also used the 360 audio. The 360 audio in comparison to spatial audio on Apple, I think Apple's a little bit better, but these are right there close. Now, I'm not a audiophile. This is just from my experience. I had it on spatial audio for a little while, and I kept thinking someone was behind me. I was hearing noise, but it was coming from the movie. So spatial audio is really, really good on these. Now, when I turned it off when I was trying to edit a video because it didn't sound right. So I turned that 360 audio off. Ambient was great. People came in the office and they kind of automatically swapped over to that, and I could hear them very well. And when they left, we got through talking, it went back to what I was listening to. So it's ambient was great. ANC is also great. I wouldn't say they're good as my AirPods Pro 2, but they're right there with it. Very good on the ANC. Watching movies and stuff, latency, there was no latency. Phone calls were great. I made a few phone calls, and no one, they never asked if what was going on with my phone or nothing like that, and I could hear them very well also. Now, I used these for about 4 hours on and off most of the time, and I didn't charge them. They came out of the box at about 49%. So after the 4 hours, it was down to 25% or something like that. That's after watching 2 movies, some YouTube. It may have been a little longer than 4 hours. They rate these at 8 hours per charge, and you can get up to 30 hours with the case. And you can go from 0 to 100 within 75 minutes. So something like that's going to be pretty accurate, but I'll come back and follow up on them after I use them for a while. Touch controls were great on them. Pausing, stopping, hanging up on call. Funny story, I was trying to adjust one of them. I was talking to my mom on the phone and I accidentally hung up. So maybe a little bit too sensitive. I called her back and told her I was adjusting my earbud and made a mistake. So touch controls work great. Multi-point connection. I don't know if that's what they call them on the Galaxy Buds, but going seamlessly between my phone and my tablet last night was great. Take a phone call and then go right back to playing a movie on my tablet. So that is definitely great on this pair of earbuds. So last but not least, I'm going to talk about listening to music. These were outstanding, man. I got that seal in my ear, and I didn't do the ear test fit, but after I put the smaller tips on there, these was great. They sound great. The bass, these definitely have more bass than my AirPod Air Pro 2s. These definitely have more bass. The highs and lows and mids are definitely great. Using, I used it with ANC. They were great. I also turned on ambient you know, just to see how they sound. They sound great all the way around. But if you want the ANC and you got some great bass on here using the equalizers, you're definitely going to get some great sound on these as well. These are really good, man. These are very good, and I'm glad I picked them up at the price that I got them, $50. You definitely can't beat these. Now, I'm not, like I said, an audiophile. I don't have a ton of earbuds, and I haven't used everyone out there, but these are right up there. I think I'll put these over my AirPod Air Pro 2s, if I'm pronouncing that right. But yeah, man, listen to that music because it's outstanding on these, and I'm definitely going to enjoy these. So I'll follow up on these in a week or two and let you guys know what I think about them. Will H Gadgets and more. I'm out.